All right, another video. Hope y'all are being well behaved for the sub. Again, same rules apply. As long as y'all are being good and I get a good note, you will be rewarded. If you are not, you will be punished. All right, so this is for Group B on November 6th and Group A on November 10th. This is from Unit 1. This is distance and midpoint review because I feel like this is something a few of you are still struggling with. So just to review, your distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. All right, we're going to label our points. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And then we're going to plug it into our formula. Please do not forget the square root. So we have negative 5 minus negative 7 squared plus negative 3 minus negative 5 squared. Please use a calculator when dealing with these negatives if you're someone who struggles with it. So we're going to take care of what's inside of parentheses first. So we have negative 5 minus negative 7. That gives us 2. All right. Then we have negative 3 minus negative 5. We get another 2. All right. Here we go. So we're going to have 2 squared. That's 4. So we have 4 plus 4. I made that way too ridiculously long, which gives us square root of 8. Our final answer looks like it's going to be 2.8. Okay, you have 10 of those to complete. All right, let's go ahead and go down to the midpoint formula. That's going to be numbers 11 through 30. Did I give you that many midpoints? I did. Lucky you all. All right, here we go. Midpoint formula. Just a reminder, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Again, it's all about identifying your parts. So here we go. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, and we're going to plug it into our formula. BT dubs, and make sure you're showing your work. So like when you turn this in today and I come back and I look through these and start grading them, if I do not see you showing work, you will not get as much effort grade or actual grade if you're bad. Okay? All right, here we go. So we're going to do 5 plus negative 6 divided by 2. And then we're going to do 2 plus negative 7 divided by 2. Again, if you're not good with positives and negatives, luckily we have these things called calculators. So 5 plus negative 6 gives us negative 1. So we have negative 1 divided by 2. And then we're going to do 2 plus negative 7, which gives us negative 5. So we're going to have negative 5 divided by 2. So our final answer, negative 1 divided by 2 gives us negative 0.5. Then we have negative 5 divided by 2, which gives us negative 2.5. Alrighty. Please complete the rest of this worksheet. Make sure you turn it in before you leave so I can grade it. The sub will be taking attendance, so I'm going to know who's here and who's absent. So if you do not turn it in, I'm going to ask you why not. So make sure you turn in your worksheet, okay? Turn it in. Have a good rest of your week, and for my Group B, have a wonderful weekend. And for my Group A, I will be seeing you next Monday, so have a wonderful rest of your week. Thanks, guys. Bye.